amazing ranch home on 4.7 in Alachua Highlands. With large family room, wood-burning fireplace and built-in cabinetry. The sunroom is crisp, bright and full of love, separate mini-split. In addition to the 3-bedroom 2.5-bath home, there is a 900 square feet outbuilding with water and electric. Use your imagination, a studio, in-law suite, workshop, endless possibilities. Oh, you should see the gardens. It's like a walk in the park. Fruit trees, roses, daylilies, camellias, just to name a few. Take a look at the photos and you will want to live here. https www.youtube.com watch v equals vwklm vufrm and feature equals Yautabe.